It's really time for students to bring together their ideas from their ecosystem study area and what they've been doing in class. We start in 6.28 with a Green Ninja video about the warm temperatures affecting berries hibernation. That leads into a short presentation about the impacts of climate change on ecosystems. Students then revisit the phenomenon from the last group of lessons and wonder, how could climate change disrupt the ecosystem of the fox and the rabbit? They'll then spend the rest of the lesson working in groups to prepare an answer to that question. We put students in 6 different groups. Each group will get a set of impact cards related to their topic, and they'll have to discuss which ones of those cards will impact the fox and the rabbit the most. They're preparing for a scientific town hall that they'll do tomorrow. The next day, they create a very brief scientific summary report with their prediction about what will happen to the fox or rabbit population. We give them some sample scientific summaries as examples. Then, it's time for them to share their results. Students view all the other groups' predictions in a gallery walk. Their group then proposes another group that they would like to collaborate with in the future to refine their predictions and make it more reliable. They won't actually conduct that collaboration unless you want to extend the activity further, but it allows the students to really appreciate how everything is connected. Students now return to their own ecosystem study location project and address, how can I share my ecosystem discoveries? Tomorrow, students will interview one another like professional journalists interview professional scientists. We have a presentation and discussion about effective science communication, and then we watch some short videos about introspection by some scientists. Students then work on a worksheet that helps them prepare for their interview questions. They'll need to both summarize their research findings and convey their personal connection to the study location. On day 31, they perform the interviews. The interviewer is not only responsible for asking questions, but they also have to record the highlights in their reporter's notebook worksheet. After one round of questions, they'll switch roles, and you can continue rotating partners around the room as long as you have time in class. Students now launch into the culminating experience.